LeBron James. He almost had a triple-double tonight against the Sacramento Kings. He had 32 points, 11 rebounds, and 9 assists. Look at that bounce pass to Kevin Love. That's beautiful. The Cavs tied a franchise record by winning 13 consecutive games, and their schedule is very favorable coming up, so they could go for more than 13. They got the Indiana Pacers up next. They got the Philadelphia 76ers. They've got the Atlanta Hawks. They've got the Lakers, the Washington Wizards. These are all winnable games for them. They have the Utah Jazz. Yeah, one of these teams could definitely stop the streak, but if they just play a good game, they should be able to win. Look at the Kings, though. On the road, they went up big in the third quarter, but the Cavs would come back. LeBron is threatening a three from the hash splash. LeBron James was mad. He did not want to go down. He did not want to end the streak tonight. The lob pass from Dwayne Wade as they're down by just one. And then in the fourth quarter, it's going to be Wade finding Kyle Korver for the splash to tie the game. And then to take the lead is Korver again. This place is going crazy. Timeout Kings. They know they messed up. Still a good game, though. Wide open from three. Fry got there too late. It's a tie game with 6 minutes to play. LeBron James gets the steal in transition. He's going to find Jeff Green to throw it down. With the shot clock winding down, LeBron working on Zebo, goes all the way to the basket. Gets the layup to fall. Cavs up by 2. 20 seconds to go. 4 seconds on the shot clock. A step back splash is the dagger for the Cavs. 13 in a row. They've got the Pacers up next. That's another pick. Rusty, take it to the house. Oh, what a spin move. The ankles. Oh my goodness. He's got it. He's taking no spin. Why would you spin? Oh, they can't bring him down. Touchdown. Are you serious? Night Train Lane.